Hello, good afternoon. My name is Heriberto Salas Peras. I am from Dominican Republic. I live in Santo Domingo. I am studying in management informatics at WAPA. I am a military member and I work at the airport. My favorite hobbies are watching movies, listening to music, playing basketball, playing baseball, and swimming. I enjoy spending time with my family because my family is very important to me. I like technology because it makes our life easier. Technology helps us communicate, study, work, and find information quickly. I am studying informatics because I want to learn more about computer, software, and technology. My favorite cell phone is my Android phone because it is easy to use and have many useful application. application. My favorite app are WhatsApp, YouTube, Google, and Facebook. I use WhatsApp to communicate with my family and friends. I use YouTube to watch videos and learn new things. My favorite social media is Facebook because I can communicate with other people, see news, watch videos, and share information. In the future, I want to continue learning about technology and improve my professional skill. I believe technology is very important for my personal and professional development. Thank you for watching my video.